Hi everybody, I would like to take the time to wish you Merry Christmas, but I'm sure by the time you see this video will be posted after Christmas, so it's something. But I know this video will be posted before New Year's, so I'd like to wish everybody a happy, safe New Year's, and you know, stay safe, pay attention, keep your eyes open, and enjoy the rest of the video. If only there was a safe place to walk. I really don't get how people can't look before they cross. It's amazing how long they live this far. Idiot. Use your eyes. Takes a glance and forgets I'm coming. I guess we don't have eyes. Fucking idiot. Your light. Man, if only there was a place dedicated for walking. That's a nice bike you got there. I guess we don't know how bike lanes work.
I guess we
Perfectly good sidewalk over there. Dumb shit walkway is over there. I guess we don't know how bike lanes work. Fucking idiot. Seriously, how hard it is to pull in. Plenty of fucking room. And this guy doesn't look. Idiot. It's impossible to pull in. Someone who looks. Hooray. Right in the street, coward. Yep, he's driving a house. So scary. Yoink. Plenty of room. He wants to drive like a bitch. Such a smart place to stand. Bang! Let's not look. Very good. I guess we don't know how bike lanes work. Tell me, what are bike lanes? What are bike lanes? How do bike lanes work? Bunch of idiots. Yep, no signal. No signal, but good thing I was turning anyway. Yep, let's just stand right on the bike lane. Wrong way, brain dead fuckers. Man, that's a nice bike you got there. Very good. Stupid. Thanks for blocking the bike lane. Wrong way, dumb shit. Bang! Thanks for blocking the bike lane, geniuses.
You're on it.
Now that's how you parallel park. Wrong way, asshole. Man, she could barely see over the fucking steering wheel. Come on, you got plenty of room. Plenty of fucking room. Oh yeah, plenty of fucking room. So scared, she's driving a house. So scary. It's like what, a first day? Man, it must be hard to pull in all the way. Doesn't look. Pay attention. Right? Yep, no signal though. And he's a doctor. See, doctors are stupid too. Wrong way, asshole. Sidewalk's on your right. Thanks for blocking the bike lane, asshole. Woo. Man, that's a nice bike you got there. I guess we don't know how bike lanes work. Oh, that room over there. Smart place to stand, idiot. I guess we don't look.
Yo, shut the fuck up, dickhead.
That is so smart. I guess we don't look like a dumbass. That's a nice bike you got there. Oh no, it's too narrow. When trucks before you had made it through, I really don't get it. It's like they just started driving yesterday. Oh my goodness. Speed limit 25. Let's do 10. Merry Christmas.
Oh, what's up, buddy? Merry Christmas. How you doing? You alright?
Yeah, you?
Good, bro. Well, I never got my fucking car fixed before.
Oh, no?
No. They want $1,500, bro.
Wow.
I gotta wait.
300.
Oh, is that the same bike?
Yeah.
Dude, you gotta be careful, man. That's funny, bro.
You take it easy.
Okay, I'm Merry Christmas.
Happy New Year if I don't see you. Wrong way, idiot. Wrong way, dumbass. Idiota. Wrong way, dumb shit. Idiot. Great place to stand, dumbasses. You fucking kidding me with this shit? Of course it's a cop. Good job. Armored truck could even park there. Nope. Or here, look at this. Man, that's a nice bike you got there. You're so fucking stupid. Wrong way, asshole. Wrong way, busted condom. I guess we don't know how bike lanes work. Wrong way, cum catcher. Hello. So terrible at parallel parking. How terrible do you gotta be? And a fucking doctor. Another fucking doctor. Remember, kids, just because you have a PhD doesn't mean you're smart. It just means that you can remember the shit they taught you. Memory doesn't equal intelligence. Whoa, cyclist on my right, holy shit.